Hello everybody. How are you? My name is Leticia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you can enjoy my content. Today I have another review for you, and it is these two right here. I'm very excited to use them. I'm going to start with the Curl Talk, or the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to finish off with Not Your Mother's, again, Whip It Up Cream Styling Mousse. So without further ado, let's get this going. Oh, and by the way, both products are Curly Girl approved. So let's start. The bottles do say that I should wet my hair a bit. So I already washed my hair and I've been walking around doing stuff and it got a little dry. Let's start with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Leave-In Conditioner. It says here, amplify softness and help detangle with added heat protection with rice curl complex and superfood oil blend. Directions: generously spray on clean damp hair, focusing on mid-length, so like around here down, but I always put at the top a little bit. It's up to you. You know your curls more than I do. Focusing on mid-length to ends. Okay, diffuse or air dry and style as usual. So let's get it going. It has a little protector. How do I take the protector off? Oh, so you see this little purple thing, so you have to move it to the side. Well, hold on, let me see if I can show you. You have to move it like to the side or something like that, and then you can move the little spray. Oh, here it is. Okay. It smells really good. I like it. And I'm just raking it in, just making sure that it's everywhere. And I am going to put a little bit on the top, because if I am going to be putting mousse, I haven't used mousse in like years. Maybe like 10 years I have not used mousse. Because I've been using cream in my hair. I like it that I like that it's like my fingers just go through my hair. So it does say that you should be able to detangle easily. And look, I'm already like good to go. All right, let's go on this side now. As I rake my fingers down, I grab some more, or I grab some product and I bring it to the top here. Just so that, and I do this just so that my hair, like, you don't want your hair to be all stuck here and then poofy at the bottom. So since you don't want that, you don't want to put too much like leave-in conditioner or stuff like that on top of your hair. And either way, when I dry, I always flip from side to side. Another thing I must point out is that this leave-in conditioner is like very, very thin. Like very thin. Not thin, but it's not heavy or cakey or nothing like that. So I do like that very much, because my hair is actually thin and anything can weigh it down if you don't use it properly. Because I've used thicker products and it still doesn't weigh my hair down, but that's because I know to use less, So, and I know how to fluff my hair too. I think if you watch my previous video, I show you guys how I fluff my hair. Okay, so I'm done here. Let me show you guys the fit. All right, so that is it for the leave-in conditioner. Now I will do the mousse. So now we're gonna go with the mousse, and it says here, Not Your Mother's Whip It Up. Application: shake the can and turn upside down to dispense into hand. Work evenly through hair, concentrating at the root to create volume, and hold for any big style you crave. Proceed with styling. Hey. Okay, so I mean, sometimes I don't follow instructions, sometimes I do. So let me just see how this goes. So shake well. shaky, 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 and then upside down. I mean, I think we all know how mousse works. So usually what I've done is I kind of put a little bit like this, like raking, so it goes in, and then I go here a little bit, and then a little bit in the front. Okay, so the mousse doesn't smell like well the mousse doesn't smell like anything. That's kind of odd. No, it doesn't smell like anything. All right, since I don't know how much hold this is gonna have, this is like my first time trying it. I don't know how much more mousse I should put. So I'm doing this much more. Okay guys, okay, so I am done. I'm done with the application. My hair feels really soft, so I like that. Maybe it's because of the leave-in conditioner, and then we'll see how the mousse holds up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to air dry off camera, obviously, because God knows how long that's gonna take, and I shall be back. But usually what I do, just to gain like a little volume, is as I'm going about my day, right? If I have my hair on my right hand side right now, I'm doing my thing, blah, 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 blah. In a couple of minutes, maybe 15 minutes, I will do this. And I will flip it to the other side and blah, 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 go about my day. Maybe 30 minutes will go by, and then I switch back. This way my hair is not going to dry up just like this. This way I can use my hair either way and I get some volume. Okay, so as it's drying, I'm moving, so it's not gonna just stay here. Okay, and then I just go back and forth until it's dry. So I'll see you guys in like 100 hours. Hi everybody, welcome back. These are my results. I am definitely loving the volume that I have right now on my hair. I have not fluffed it out, so I have not done my little fluffing out, and I have volume, so that's pretty impressive. It feels soft. It doesn't have like a big hold, It doesn't have like a crunch. There is no crunch whatsoever. So I was thinking that it was gonna have somewhat of a crunch because of the mousse, but it's looking okay. The only thing is because there is not much of a hold, then I already know that in the heat is probably not gonna hold up too well, but you never know. And anyway, if I need more, I'll just put more. But I like it overall. I think it's good. What do you guys think? You guys be the judge. Yeah. I really like the product. The only thing is that there is no smell whatsoever, and I kind of wanted like a little scent, though I already know that when there are perfumes and scents in products, we already know that that's not too good for your hair, because you know there's alcohol and scents and stuff like that. That's just extra, but that's just my personal preference. I wish there was a little bit more of a scent in, you know, in the products, but there is none, so I guess that's fine. But overall, what do you guys think? I like it. Yeah. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to like, comment, and to share to your best friends. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.